It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Hey, Spirit Boosters, how y'all doing today? Hope all is well. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome any and all new subscribers. Thank you for supporting this channel. We're going to get to 3,000 eventually, and with your help, we can make it. And all that good support, even if you're not watching the whole video, a thumbs up is very powerful and much appreciated. Yes, today I am a Christmas tree. A warm Christmas tree. I think I'm getting a little too warm. But I had to come back through and share with you guys another one of my husband's prepper hauls. What he's prepping. Yes, I have a few things, but he's prepping and getting stuff he wants. And I'm going to show you guys. Just wanted to say hello. And see my little tree earring. For now, it's a tree earring, but it's going to be in one of my crocheted fable books. It's a junk, well, they say junk journal, but junk journal fable book. I'm just going to be putting it in there, one of them. Thank you for any of you guys that did come to the crafting channel and supported me. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. So you guys see what I just previously made. I'm just going to share. Well, I don't know. If you want to see what I made, just come on over to the crafting channel. And if anybody I'm forgetting to go visit your channel, please come by, holler. I'll try to get around. I'm not complaining. 3 channels. Well, it's really 4. It's 5, but it's 4 that's really active. And I'm doing the work. I'm not overwhelmed by my channels. I love them all, because when you're doing something that you really love doing, it doesn't overwhelm me. So it's just more work, because which I enjoy too, on the craft. On all of my channels, I enjoy answering your comments, commenting. I love socializing with my subscribers and any visitors that come by my channel. You want to leave a comment, leave a comment. If it's not rude, I will respond. But if it's a rude comment, I'm not going to respond. I might even, delete it. Because who wants to read something like that? Only reason I would leave up a rude comment is for the lesson. For folks can see who's hiding behind something that they're really something else. Especially if you accuse Miss JENITA of something that is not what's going on. You get offended because of the news that's being reported. And I haven't been putting up the Hunter, Roland, Indisputable, Media, Midas. It's a bunch of people, Pairs of the Breach, all in my community tab. You guys check out my community tab on all of my channels that you are visiting or have visited, because I have some subscribers that I say are awesome. Well, they're awesome to me because they are supporting me. And if you guys want to see if they want to support you back, go check them out. Holler at them. That's how you got to do it. Nobody's just going to come to you unless they are very, very, very interested in what you're doing. But yeah, on my community tab, I have shouted out several channels. Great channels. Go check them out. Some people might be shy. Like I said, a lot of people, they are shy. They need some encouragement. There'd be a little shove to get them going. You guys want to get involved, be my guest. But that's what my community tab is about, you know, recommending, supporting, I guess promoting channels. I love it. Ain't no skin off my back. But I wish more people would do it, help support each other, but I don't know. Folks got their own agenda. But it's a lot of good people in the world, so looking for those, especially on my crafting channel. But y'all, I'm about to turn this camera around so y'all can see these the little stuff my husband prepped and the little stuff I got. Okay, hold on. And tell me all about what you guys are having for Thanksgiving, if you're doing anything. Or if you're not, have you bought anything? Are you prepping? Are you preparing? Have you heard any news? Have you heard anything crazy? Share it in the comments. Okay, Spirit Boosters, I am back to share with you the husband's carrying on with his prepping. Oh, I just had my little fruit bowl up here. You guys got your holiday fruit bowls going on. I have lemons, limes, oranges, apples, pineapple already cut up. I do have grapes, but they're in the fridge. But I do love when the apples and the fruits are just their aroma, I would say. I don't want to say scent. Scent means something else to me, but the smell of the fresh fruit, oh my God, it just going throughout the home and freshening things up. I love the smell of fresh fruit. Just surrounding the holidays, childhood memory, fruit and candy, Christmas candy. Okay, I'm going to remove the fruit so I can share with you guys these other things. Okay, let's start with the enchilada sauce. Piled up on the enchilada sauce, well, we call it piled up because we have 4 Las Palmas red enchilada sauce and 2 green. Now, we got this because we seen it was on sale, so husband stacked up on a few cans. There was 2 for $3. So why not? And the barbecue sauce, that's me. I just needed a couple. I don't know where my barbecue sauce is. It's probably hiding. I'm still decluttering, organizing, rotating, but I haven't rotated enough because I don't know where my barbecue sauce at. So I just picked up a Sweet Craft Sweet and Honey 16 ounce. Yes, 18 ounce, excuse me. Original and Sweet and Honey. And then my husband, he got 4 boxes of the Glory Corn Muffin Mix. I got my Cheerios, come from Sam's, excuse me, right along with this Reynolds freezer paper. That I really needed, so that came 2 in a pack. Wrap and freeze your meat. So I got that. What they got on there? BPA free. In the plastic side, the coated shiny side is the side you put the meat on because it doesn't stick. It comes right off. Okay, now let me tell you what else my husband got. We got some celery here. This not all. This is just a few stuff I got up here. This is the best celery ever. He got this from Superior. Superior has gone like our big brand name grocery stores, Vons, Albertson, Ralph's, Pavilions are where the expensive grocery stores. I think you guys call y'all's Publix and Kroger. And yeah, Superior, I guess they trying to compete. This celery is the best I've seen in a while. It's, you know how celery usually comes, nice fat pack of celery, and not the little skimpy, wimpy, limpy ones. These are good. They're on sale 79 cents at Superior. For my people out here in Southern California, y'all got a Superior. And we also, my husband, he's prepared haul on some you say T-bone, but these are ribeyes. Look at these ribeyes. thick. See the thickness in that ribeye? Big old fat ribeye. It was $4.99 a pound. So he got $50 worth of ribeyes. I'm about to cook 2 of them today. And we're thinking about having these babies grilled for the Christmas. I don't know. Thanksgiving sounds good too. But yeah, it's 6 in here, and I got 4 more. Let me see, 4 more in the freezer. So what? It's about 10. Wait, is that 10 or 6? Yeah, 10 of them. $50. $4.99 a pound. And they look so good. I know a lot of y'all, some of y'all don't eat meat, but I ain't ready to stop eating it. I love my meat. And talking about meat, but these ribeye. Hold up, let me see if I can take one out. Y'all, my husband is meat prepping. When you shopping like this is like the end of the year. Groceries, celebrating the holidays, even though I know some people don't celebrate the holidays, but it is a wonderful thing. Like at the end of the year, there's Christmas, and it's like you're rewarding your families and friends and loved ones with gifts, celebrations, parties, and things like that. You worked all year, you saved money. For some of us, we have to save the money in order to provide these things. Some, if you're rich or whatever, you have good income, you don't have to do that. You just gift people all year long, but still you participate in the end of the year celebration. And people, even when they do have something, they want more. Rich folks, they can travel and do things, and then I guess they get bored when they've done everything that money can buy and afford them to do. They get bored, so they have to make up or invent something, create something different to do. Well, it is better, I believe. I don't want to say so much better, but it is more interesting when you are, building up to do something because you appreciate it more. Not so much if you already can do it, it ain't nothing like you're going to be taking that for granted, but you ain't taking for granted something that you saved up for and you're going to entertain your family with and have your family enjoying it. Everybody happy, and then you so proud and joy and happy that you were able to, make it so for your family, and everybody appreciates it so much. I love that spirit. That's what Christmas is going to bring in these holidays. The spirit of appreciation where everybody just loves family members. They want to be around each other. They want to love each other. They want to show how much they love each other by surprising them with a lot of their favorites, or just make things that make them happy. Oh, I love the spirit of Christmas. At first I was saying, God, I don't know if I'm going to be with it, but then I had to remind myself what it's all about. Some people say it's about the Father. Okay, we got that, but still it's through him we celebrate our family members and loved ones, and put happiness and joy in their spirits by doing things that this holiday season is going to bring. That's why it's here, basically giving people something to appreciate, to show up for, and it's worth it. People look forward to this day. And I know a lot of folks that don't have family members or any loved ones because they passed, or you're in a certain place. The spirit still exists there too. It's just knowing that you praise God and thank God, the Most High, and surely you will truly be blessed also. Okay, but I hope you guys are having a holiday, beautiful spirit, prepping time, shopping. I know that's amazing. Y'all ain't been to a mall in a year. Look at me carrying on and on. I bet the malls are just decked out with holiday decor and decorations. But I know I love what I'm doing on my crafting channel. I love it. I have lots of ideas. I know I say that. Y'all just come on over there and enjoy my ideas. I know a bunch of y'all say, oh, it's already been done, Miss JENITA. But it wasn't done by me. and it wasn't done through my spirit. Okay, we all got different spirits, y'all. I have turned this into something else, but this is about my husband hauling, prepping steaks and meat. I can just say meat. These short ribs, like I said, gonna be our Sunday dinner tomorrow. I don't know about barbecued or in slathered in gravy with some beans. It's a rice. Beverly over on Stack Star. She had my mouth watering with her chili beans she made. You'll see her name in my comment section. Check her channel out. Go on over there, y'all, and subscribe to her channel and support her. I'm all about support. I don't care what folks say about me, you know, because I know some folks, when I show y'all my stove that day, I know this is not no complaint. This is not that at all. This is just me sharing stuff I want to share because I can. But I don't like bougie people. Their spirit, bougie spirit, thinking they better and they much better than anybody. Tell me, oh, I don't want to have cooking no nasty old kitchen. I don't want to be in no nasty house and all that old stuff. But trust and believe. I used to be a custodian. I can come to some of these folks' home that think they so clean and find areas where they ain't ever thought about cleaning. Okay? So let's not even be going there about talking about who nasty and who need to be cleaning, because y'all just need to mind your own business and stay in a good spirit and just think about just inspiring folks, encouraging folks, and letting folks just feel good about life, period. Yeah, you use things, they need cleaning. And sometimes folks ain't able to do what they need to do like they used to do back in the day, okay? And they can't afford a Molly maid, or they ain't got no extra folks to come around and help them do certain things. So they do it at their own pace and if they able to. So don't be dissing nobody. And I ain't nobody to tell nobody what they can and cannot do. So I'm gonna just stop it right there because I have to remind myself. I ain't on here to give out orders, commands, or overworked thoughts. And folks just like they don't like nobody telling them what to do. Well, you can't do it over here, but I know you'll try. Like I said, as long as your comment ain't all disrespectful. And then I say I leave some comments up for a lesson learned to let you know how some folks think, because they ain't well, they not thinking, because if they had a thought a little longer or thought at all, they would have knew different and not even let that come out their mouth written in their comment. But let me keep it happy. I just had to throw that thought in there, y'all. Everything good over here. And I know and hope and pray that things are good where you are. And if you want to share that, express yourself in the comments, please do so. Happy holidays to all my spirit boosters and visitors passing by. Look at Lou's trolleys. How y'all doing? Happy holidays. And y'all know we all busy. Miss JENITA busy. I got to go, y'all. I got to put this meat up dust. That's why I got the freezer paper, put all these steaks up. And like I said, I'm having these short ribs. When the last time y'all had some short ribs? Y'all know Miss JENITA gotta go. Y'all be good. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit